Hey everyone, realizing I've never done a shop tour. We've had a little construction going on for the last couple of months, and so it's been a little challenging to do that. Anyways, end of the day on a Friday, team has all left, and so I thought this might be an opportunity to go ahead and do a quick walkthrough. You saw Biscuit, he's our shop dog. He really runs the show here. This is a 41 Austin Bantam. This was the company that actually designed the first Jeep vehicle. Had this vehicle for quite some time. This is Gator. You guys may know Gator already. Gator was our first conversion. Did a low voltage system on this a few years back, and this is what started the company. Gator is here. We use it for reference now and for scanning data information as well as storage. We got some parts back here. What you see behind Gator is our harnessing wall. Let me turn the light on here so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, this is where we do a lot of our harnessing, a lot of our electrical work, and all of our important detail work is done here. We've got a phone booth under the stairs I'll tell you about here in a minute. We've got a T-Pack here that's getting ready to go in that red 79 F-150 over there. And then this is Blue Seal. Blue Seal is getting our monolith pack, as is White Lightning, our 56 Chevy here, as well as the Econoline over in the distance there, a fleet customer in Tennessee. We got a Defender going, and we've got a BMW in the background. But I thought I'd walk you through the monolith system. This is pretty exciting. We haven't really shown this publicly before. We've done some kind of CAD images and showing some pictures of it in boxes, but really excited about this. It basically houses all of the modules, all of your BMS, DC to DC, all of the bits and pieces you might need for an EV conversion, except for the accessories, are all in this pack. Fully sealed, fully waterproof, fully cooled, everything you would need. And it tucks right inside of the frame rails on pretty much any truck, van, or SUV. Full 55 kilowatt hour system, 350 to 400 volts, and pairs nicely with e-beams. And we've got a good lead on e-beams that are going into most of these vehicles. So monolith pack, e-beam, basically quickly transforms most truck, van, or SUV into an EV. Truck, van, SUV to an EV, which allows you all the room for a frunk. So we are spending some time redesigning this area for a frunk for this customer. So that's pretty exciting. This one's getting a frunk as well. The Defender is getting the full 55 kilowatt hour Felton pack up front. And then of course the Tesla Model 3 unit underneath. So check that out. That's coming together quite quickly. This customer went with a really nice Mexican blanket interior. Really excited about that. So working through the details of the Defender right now. Also getting into the build of a T-Pack system inside of this BMW 635 CSI. Gorgeous car, absolutely gorgeous. Another Austin customer here. So we're doing the full electrification on this one, as well as some light restoration as well. This one is our fleet customer for a school in Tennessee. You can see the monolith pack right there underneath doing its thing. Pretty excited about that. It is also getting an e-axle in the back, and so this is the first of many for this customer. And then obviously we'll have a system for this, and basically every vehicle in here will be translated to a system which will be available for sale. This is another exciting build. We've got T-Pack up front, like I mentioned, dual Omni axial flux motors mounted to the NP205 transfer case. So a tremendous amount of torque and power going into this one. This is gonna be his daily driver. And so we're gonna do a full restoration on that. It's gonna be epic. The interior is gonna be amazing, brought back to full restoration quality. And so that's the story on the vehicles, but the space is also a story. We started renting here about 4 months ago, and when we came in here, this whole half of the space was blocked by strange offices that were in this area. And you can see here below this line, this is where the walls used to be. There were these strange little offices, and they were blocked off here, and there was a room back here. You can see that. That was like a break room or something. So there wasn't much office, there wasn't much warehouse space here at all, just a little bit. So we knocked down all these walls. I built, kind of capped off all of this, built a structure on top of the walls for our mezzanine, and then built that stairwell and built a phone booth underneath that we could use for calls. And so yeah, it's just a nice little spot where we can go and take phone calls in there and not bother anybody else. So that is Current EV Motors on the first floor. But let's walk up to the second floor. I'll say hi to Biscuit. He's pretty excited. He's our shop dog. Yeah, so this is where we all hang out. Not hang out, this is where we all work. This is my station. Our Brent, our mechanical engineer, is here, and Caesar, our electrical engineer, is here, and we've got plenty of space for a growing team up here. And so, yeah, we've got a lot of projects we're working on, a lot of exciting things that we're doing, and couldn't be more excited to share this video with everyone. Anyways, we'll try to be better about doing more videos in the future, but for now, have a great weekend.